Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter. Let's trace and paint them together. Uppercase, A. Lowercase, a. Uppercase, B. Lowercase, b. Uppercase, C. Lowercase, c. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for apple. A is for ant. B is for bat. B is for ball. C is for car. C is for carrot. Uppercase, A. Lowercase, a. Uppercase, B. Lowercase, b. Uppercase, C. Lowercase, c. A. B. C. 1. 2. 3. Let's go coloring. A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. 1 baby arrives. 2 tiny hands hold. 3 sweet kisses given. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Please like and subscribe to my channel.